Vinnie with Cosmis Racing Wheels, and today is Wheel Wednesday. Happy Wheel Wednesday. Today I'm... Interrupt me. Sorry. You know who this guy is? Why don't you introduce yourself at least?
Hi, I'm Dane.
This is Dane. Well, today we're going to talk about brake clearance. We get a lot of questions about, will it clear my brakes? Will it clear my brakes? Dane is a, I won't say expert, but he's damn near close on what'll clear, what won't clear, what will and won't clear. And we broke out the R1 19 by 9.5 because so far this wheel has been able to clear almost everything. Don't quote me on that, on saying it will clear everything. I said almost everything. Well, Dane knows a lot about clearance, so why don't you tell us about some of the wheels and particularly some of the cars that our wheels will clear? Because I know some won't clear at all.
So we have a lot of different platforms that we service with Cosmis. A very big platform is the Subaru market. Everyone with Brimbos, there's a magic number for Subaru. It's 18 by 9.5 plus 35 to 38 offset. That's pretty much a bolt-on and go. The Cosmis R1 is a very popular wheel. It's 18 by 9.5 with a 35 millimeter offset. That will bolt on and go for virtually any Subaru. Also, the XT206, XT006, and 18 by 9 will clear all STI Brimbos, even the big Brimbos on the 18 plus cars.
So with that being said, let's open up the R1. All right, so as you know, all of our boxes, double box, when we ship to you from Cosmis and some of our distributors, you'll get 2 boxes in another box, so it's like a triple layer. Each one gets your own rubber. You get your hairnet.
Oh, nice. That's for people that aren't bald.
You want to put it? Oh, I'm bald. So our #1 color that we sell here is white. And I find this wheel to be a gorgeous wheel.
It is.
I think it's a beautiful wheel. What do you think?
It's a very nice wheel.
Yeah. This is a 19 by 9.5 with a plus 20 offset. It'll fit a majority of your Brembo brake. We haven't had any issues yet. If you guys have purchased this wheel and you've tried it and it hasn't fit, we love your feedback because there are so many cars out there, which I think we can both agree.
There's quite a few cars.
Quite a few cars. And everybody's always like, will it fit? I got to be honest with you, we don't know every fitment, but Dane does know a lot of those. Other than that, you have any more questions? Anything you want to add about this wheel?
Any questions you have, shoot me an email, send me a message on Facebook, call me.
Yeah, Instagram, same thing. We tagged. If you go to today's Instagram, we're going to post a couple more pictures of that. Other than that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you subscribe to Cosmis Silvers North America, when we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a set of wheels and a set of coils.
Pretty sweet.
Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.
Thank you.